Today I'm going to show you how to translate a Mailchimp sign-up form step by step so you can make your form feel local, clear, and easy for your subscribers to understand. If you're building a multilingual audience, this is a simple but powerful way to improve sign-ups and make your email marketing look more professional. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's get into it. First, go to Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, you want to find the Forms area, because that's where Mailchimp keeps the tools for editing and translating sign-up forms. This is the part where you're working on the form your visitors actually see, so take a moment to make sure you're in the right account and the right audience. Next, click on Forms. This opens the form management options for your audience, and from here you can control the sign-up form settings, including design and language options. After that, click on Other Forms. Mailchimp separates different form types here, so this is the section you need if you want to edit the embedded or hosted sign-up form settings. Now scroll down until you find Form Builder and click it. The Form Builder is where you can customize how your sign-up form looks and what text appears on it. If your audience speaks more than one language, this is where you start making the form easier to understand for everyone who visits it. Once the builder opens, look for the Translate It option and click on it. This is the feature that lets you change the form language settings instead of manually rewriting every label from scratch. It's especially useful if you want Mailchimp to help you automatically adapt the form for another language. Now tick the Auto Translate option. When you enable this, Mailchimp can automatically translate key parts of the sign-up form, which saves you a lot of time and helps keep the form consistent. Just remember to review everything after, because automatic translation is helpful, but you always want to check that the wording still sounds natural for your audience. After that, choose your language from the drop-down menu and set the default language. This is an important step because it tells Mailchimp which language your form should use by default. Make sure you pick the language that matches the majority of your audience, or the language you want new subscribers to see first when they land on your form. Then select the text direction. This matters if you're translating into a language that reads right to left instead of left to right. Choosing the correct text direction helps the form display properly, keeps the layout clean, and makes sure your sign-up form is readable on every device. At this point, you should review the translated form carefully, check the field labels, buttons, confirmation text, and any small instructions that appear on the form. If something doesn't look right, adjust it before publishing so your subscribers have a smooth experience from the very first click. And that's it. You've now translated a Mailchimp sign-up form and set up the language options so your form is ready for a wider audience. This is a great update if you're growing internationally or simply want to give your subscribers a better experience in their preferred language. If this tutorial was useful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next software walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.